Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to English with Ikram. Many students have asked a question about subject and predicate. There is a confusion that the concept of subject and predicate is not clear. So after today's session, your concept about subject and predicate will be totally clear. There are mainly two parts of a sentence. Whenever we write a sentence, we mention two things: person, place, or a thing. Person, place, or a thing in a sentence. And the next thing that we mention is we say something about that person, place, or a thing. Right? Person, place, or a thing that we mention in a sentence, that is called subject. एक सेंटेंस के अंदर आसान अल्फाज में एक सेंटेंस के अंदर जो पर्सन, प्लेस और अ थिंग आप मेंशन करते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड सब्जेक्ट. एंड दिस सब्जेक्ट आंसर द क्वेश्चन व्हाट और हु. द सेकंड थिंग इज देयर इज अ वर्ब. Verb is always there, or you can say that the remaining part of a sentence, that is predicate, and predicate always contains a verb. आपको पहचान का आसान तरीका है कि आपने सबसे पहले वर्ब आइडेंटिफाई करना है, एंड देन यू हैव टू आस्क क्वेश्चन व्हाट और हु. पहले सिंपल सी जो मैंने बात की है कि वेन एवर वी राइट अ सेंटेंस वी मैंशन टू थिंग्स: person, place, or a thing, and then the next thing, whatever we say something about that person, place, or a thing, we also mention that. Person, place, or a thing, this part is called subject, and whatever we say, the information that we add about that person, place, or a thing, that is called predicate. And the next thing that you keep in your mind, बहुत ही important बात है कि predicate always contains a verb. तो सबसे पहले आपने वर्ब को आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि इसमें वर्ब किधर है. देन यू हैव टू आस्क क्वेश्चन अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर वर्ब, दैट द क्वेश्चन इज ईदर व्हाट और हु. लेट्स टेक सम एग्जांपल. फॉर एग्जांपल, हियर इज द सेंटेंस: शी इज एन इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल. पर्सन, प्लेस और अ थिंग. द पर्सन इज शी, इट्स अ सब्जेक्ट. ये पहले एक जगह से मैं आपको बताता हूँ आपने कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करने हिसाब से. नाउ अब शी जो सब्जेक्ट है, देयर इज एन इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट हर, इज एन इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल. तो दिस पार्ट ऑफ अ सेंटेंस इज कॉल्ड प्रेडिकेट. वट एवर वी हैव सेड अबाउट हर, दैट्स अ प्रेडिकेट. अनदर एग्जाम्पल: द डॉग वॉज बार्किंग. द डॉग सब्जेक्ट, and then what was he doing? It was barking. So was barking, this is predicate. The information that has been added about the dog, that's predicate. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty, that's a noun. Subject is the best policy. Added information about that particular subject, that's a predicate. Now another method of identification of subject and predicate, as I told you that first of all you will identify the verb. For example, he was doing his work. Verb क्या है? Doing. He was doing his work. Now आप क्वेश्चन पूछें, who was doing? He. आपके जो क्वेश्चन का आंसर करेगा ही व्हाट और हु का, वो सब्जेक्ट है. हु वाज डूइंग वर्क, ही, इट्स अ सब्जेक्ट, एंड वाज डूइंग हिज वर्क, दिस इज प्रेडिकेट. जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल दी थी, ऑनेस्टी इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी. इसमें वर्ब क्या है? इज. लिंकिंग वर्ब है, इज. व्हाट इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी? दिस इज प्रेडिकेट. व्हाट इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी? Now the question is what, and the word that answers to this word, that is honesty. Honesty is the best policy, so honesty is subject. So first of all, you will identify the verb, and then you have to ask question to your own self that the question may be either what or who, and the word that will answer to this question, that will be subject, and the verb itself, and the remaining part, that will be predicate. I hope now this is very simple and your concept is clear. Many students in my WhatsApp group have asked this question, so I thought that I should record a video session so that the other students or other teachers whose concept is not clear, their concept would also be clear, and I think it's clear now. So whenever you have any query, do ask questions. Sometimes I answer to those questions in different WhatsApp groups, because I have a subject specialist preparation group, interview, KPPSC interview group, English with Ikram, that's the general English group. Sometimes people ask questions on our Facebook, so sometimes I reply to them there in that very group, and sometimes I prefer to record a whole video so that the other students or teachers, they could also benefit from the session. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Keep on asking questions. Allah Hafiz.